Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to change video background in CapCut. No green screen. To remove background in CapCut, launch the CapCut app on your device by tapping its icon on the home screen or in the app drawer. Import the video you wish to edit into CapCut, and you can do this by tapping the New Project button within the app and selecting the desired video from your device's gallery or file system. Once imported, the video will appear in your project timeline. Then, go to the Remove BG feature within CapCut editing tools. You can choose between auto removal or custom removal depending on your preferences. Auto removal utilizes CapCut's algorithms to automatically detect and remove the background, while custom removal allows for manual adjustments. After you've adjusted the background removal settings and are satisfied with the result, proceed to save your edited video. You can add cover. CapCut offers a convenient feature to add covers to your videos, allowing you to choose a specific frame to represent your video. This cover is a thumbnail or preview image for your video, enhancing its visual appeal and attracting viewers' attention. With CapCut's intuitive interface, adding covers is a simple process, enabling you to select the perfect image to represent your content effectively. You can use add text, apply filters and effects, and set video quality. Then you can set background with CapCut. You can easily set the background for your videos, providing a visually appealing backdrop that complements your content. Whether you prefer solid colors, gradients, or images, CapCut offers a variety of options to customize your video's background. These features allows you to create a cohesive aesthetic and enhance the overall presentation of your videos. Additionally, CapCut's intuitive controls make it simple to adjust the background settings to achieve your content's desired look and feel. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.